So this is the aftermarket steering wheel control set I've bought off Amazon. I have already opened it and I have stuck the controllers on my steering wheel. Now this little white box you see here, this gets wired to the Android head unit. And a little problem I ran into while installing this was the double-sided tape that was given to stick the controllers on the steering wheel wasn't good enough. So I went to a hardware store and I got one of this Gripx Ultimate Mounting Tape, double-sided tape. And I used this to stick the controls on the steering wheel. So let me just show you. This is the radio here. And here are the controls. So these work well. And every time I press on a button, you can see that there is a blue light coming. It may not be very visible right now because obviously the flash is on. Yeah, but you can see this. Yeah. So it does have that backlight which is illuminated. And both these controls here are powered by CR2025 lithium batteries. So those are those disc type batteries which some watches use as well. So it'll be easy to find this battery in any general store or any electrical store. You can get it, but I was disappointed with the double-sided tape which was given in the box. I thought that could have been of better quality, but anyway, I've pasted this right now over here. And the next step to do is to wire this, that is this white box, this controller box, into the head unit. And once I do that, we can talk about how it works. We can program the controls to whatever function it has to be programmed to, and we can take it up from there. So I will continue the video once I've wired this up. So here we've removed the head unit and we're connecting the wires to the controller, you can see. So once it's done, we can calibrate it, and while calibrating I will show you that too. So the next step is calibrating the steering wheel controls to the device. So you'll have to go into SWC, which is steering wheel control. And as you can see, I've already calibrated it so it knows which keys are where. So let me just show you how it works. So what you'll have to do is touch and hold on a button here and then press that same button on your steering wheel control. So GPS, and this works. So it comes up there. So I've already done it, so I can just show you how it works. So let me just get out of this app. Let me go to music player. And as you can see, there's a song playing. I've muted the volume for copyright issues. So if I want to increase the volume, let me just press on this volume up button and you can see the volume goes up. I'm pressing the volume down, and volume down works as well. So if I want to change the track, press the next button here and that works too. So let me just do that. And as you can see, the track changed. You can also do that for the previous. So let me show you that too. And that works as well. So on the left side, what I've done is I've used this for the home button. You're receiving the call, ending the call, getting to your GPS application, and the voice button. The voice button works for Siri. So if you have Apple CarPlay, it works well. If you have an Android phone, it'll work for Google Assistant. So let me just press this home button here and you can see the screen went to home. So this receiving and ending a call works only when you have a call in place, you have an incoming call coming. So I wouldn't do that right now. So let me just press this GPS button here and then it'll take you to Google Maps. See, Google Maps has just come. So I just pressed the microphone button and Siri got activated. So let me just get back into the home screen. As you can see, that works well too. So this is my review on the steering wheel controls that you can buy off Amazon. I will link the product in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, and you can buy it from there. Overall, like, I would say it's a 5 out of 5 star product. Although I wish that the glue or the double-sided tape which was given was of better quality, but that's a small thing. You can go to any hardware store like I did and pick up some really strong double-sided tape, and that should work too. So that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Please like this video, share it if you have friends which have Android systems as well and they would benefit from this. So please share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.